A soggy March Saturday morning at Morgan's Wonderland in San Antonio was the scene of an extraordinary outreach. Baptist Health System employees paying it forward.
I want to thank everyone for coming out today.
The 6th annual Matt Karns Circle of Care Run and Walk raised tens of thousands of dollars for the Employee Crisis Fund. Hundreds of runners and walkers laced up their sneakers and splashed through the 5K course around the park. They represented all Baptist facilities, many of them bringing along family and friends to take part. Although it was great weather for ducks, these die-hard Matt Karns supporters were undeterred by the bleak mist.
Oh, it's very nice weather actually. It's nice and cool. It can always be worse, but this is great weather.
For these Baptist employees, the run and walk is not about beating the clock. It's about doing something good for co-workers they have never even met.
You just never know. Anything could happen to any one of us, and it's nice enough to know that somebody out there cared enough to do something for the employees.
The Matt Karns Walk and Run is truly a system-wide event, supported by a wide variety of people from the CEO on. The atmosphere is one of victory. Victory in coming together for a common cause to help fellow employees in need.
Matt Karns was near and dear to rehab. He was a physical therapist, so we wanted to walk for his cause and in remembrance of him.
Last year, the Crisis Fund helped 122 Baptist employees manage through an unexpected financial crisis. Now the goal is to raise $90,000 to help dozens more people next year. The new venue of Morgan's Wonderland got rave reviews.
The park itself is impeccable. The route itself, it turned out to be great for the 5K we did.
After the run and walk, hundreds gathered in the event center for a health fair. They put their healthy philosophy on display with group exercise. They bid on items to raise even more money for the cause, and they bought That's Baptist Care items to take their message of quality health care out into the community. The annual Matt Karns event is just one way Baptist employees come together as a group to put their hearts and their commitment on display. Employees who care about the community and each other. That's the difference. That's Baptist Care. For the Baptist Health News Network, I'm Wendy Rigby.